Manufacturing Day is a 2.5-week long program. 8th graders in the area have the opportunity to go on one day. Each student gets one day to do a field trip to 2 different business manufacturers in the area. It's important for MORryde to participate in manufacturing days because the students who are coming through as 8th graders could very well be our future employees. And it's an opportunity for us to make that connection with them. They may not even know what job opportunities are available at a manufacturer. It's beneficial for us to be able to present the variety of career pathways that one can have in manufacturing. It's cool for us to be able to have that connection with students and have that connection with the community. It's really neat to see our team members share their stories. And I think the one thing that we try and drive home to the students is training and education are very important, but what's even more important is to be a good team player, to have a good attitude, to come to work on time. And if you have those things, then you can be successful regardless of your work experience and regardless of the past education or training that you've had.